Oh my god, he's even more amazing in real life. That's all I can say. Like he's such an amazing person. He makes you feel special.
There's already a buzz on social media that it was ghost directed. Do you want to clarify to our
Not
audience?
at all. Not at all. Aryan single-handedly has done this entire show, and he's directed this entire show single-handedly. And which is why even I, as an audience, when I'm now watched the show, I'm like, how has he done it all by himself? He had such great knowledge and in-depth knowledge, about every department, each and every department. So yeah, I think it's a rumor, and yeah, that's all I can say.
And Shahrukh, tell me a little more about him, meeting him.
He is, oh my god, he's even more amazing in real life. That's all I can say. Like he's such an amazing person. He makes you feel special. And I remember that day from the preview launch when I had to share the stage with him and I had to dance with him. It's like I couldn't believe that that was happening to me. I've come back home and I've like shed a couple of happy tears because. And I always say this, that they say never meet your heroes, but thank God I met my hero because he's just even more amazing in real life.
And did you manage to go for a Mannat party, which is like...
Yes, and we've danced and we've all danced to all of SRK's songs.
Yeah.
And that was again quite a moment because here you've seen him, perform on screen, and now you're with him off screen and just like dancing to his songs, and all of us doing his hook steps and Chammak Chalo and all these songs.
But I also want to ask you, how was it meeting Gauri Khan? She's the producer of the show, so tell me about that.
She's so lovely. She has such she's got obviously these really motherly instincts towards everybody who was a part of the show. I remember meeting her for the first time at Red Chilli's office again, and she so sweetly gave me a sweet tight hug. And even after that, a couple of times when we've gone to her house, she's very nicely, warmly welcomed us, fed us food, and she's like any other mother is, and those emotions actually come out for all of us.